A drill with a brush attachment can be a handy tool when you are cleaning tile showers. This is just for cleaning tile and grout. Do not use this on glass. When you clean the glass, you will want to use a soft microfiber or cotton towel that is free of any debris so that you do not scratch the glass. And when you clean the tile, you're going to pre-wet it just a little bit, and then you're going to use some liquid soap. We love Castile soap. And then you can also use a spray or cream cleanser. And it'll make your job a lot easier using the power drill instead of your grout brush doing it all by hand. You want to make sure that you get in between the tile and this grout. Now you can switch out your attachments to the smaller size. That will be easier to get in between the grout lines here, or the rounded brush that may be easier to get in between the cracks here. If you use the round one, you probably be able to fit. See, this flat one doesn't fit so much in the corners and edges. And then make sure you rinse everything and rinse off the attachment when you're all done.